Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I'm back again with a brand new video where I will show you how you can increase your screen time out in iPhone. So if you want to increase the auto lock time for your iPhone device, I will show you how you can do that easily. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. So first of all, you just have to go to the settings section of your mobile device, and depending on the model you have, you need to look for the display and brightness option. So for my device iPhone 13, I have this option right here in the settings section, display and brightness. And if you are not able to find it there, you can even go to the general section and you might find it there. So you have to look for the display and brightness section and simply tap that. Now here at the bottom you will get this option auto lock that is currently showing as 30 seconds. Alright, so now if you want to increase the screen time out, so you have to press this auto lock option. So after 30 seconds your phone will get automatically locked. Alright, if you want to increase this time, you can set it to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes and never. So never means it will not get automatically locked unless you do it. Alright, so that's all you can do. You can increase the time limits as shown here, or you can even set it to never if you want. So I'm going to set it to 2 minutes, and that's all you need to do. You need not to save any changes, just go back. And as you can see, now it has been set to 2 minutes. So that's how you can increase or even decrease the auto lock timing on your iPhone device. So that was all for this video. If you found this video helpful, do let me know in the comment section down below. And if you have any suggestions or feedback related to any of my videos, you can mention that down in the comment box down below. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.